Sunlight through the window, shining just on you. Little things we share start to mean so much. Every simple moment turns into our touch. Walking side by side with nowhere else to go, talking about dreams only we can know. Every laugh we keep, every smile we show, builds a kind of love that only grows. This is love in every moment. Every second feels so right. When I'm close to you, I know it. We're shining like the light. This is love in every moment, never fading, always true. In this world I finally found it. All I need is you. Whoa. Evening brings a calm with colors in the sky, holding you so close as time just passes by. Every heartbeat moves in perfect time, like a song that plays inside. No more searching for a place to be. You're the only home I need to see. Every day just proves it's true. Life feels better next to you. This is love